Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, and today we're going to take Air Boss shirts. These are worn at convention or marshal traffic, and I took a bunch of mine from over the years and sent them off and had a quilt made out of them. So let's take a look at the quilt, and now we're going to zoom in on the individual features of each of the years that make up this quilt. I think you'll find a little bit of the history of this a little bit interesting, so stay tuned.
Ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
And as we zoom in on the top left corner, we come to Cable, 1992, the first year there was ever an Air Boss team. I got my star in March of that year, and the number said call John Maestre. I made a long distance call, remember those folks before cell phones, and got myself on the Air Boss team. So stay tuned for the next year. And the next year was St. Augustine, 1993. Not much of a shirt to look at, but again, it took up a panel, front and back. And in 1994, Galveston, Texas. Garner had our shirts all made for us that year, and he had our names embroidered on the breast pockets for the Air Boss team. Thank you very much, Garner. In 95, they had a special Air Boss team, but in 96, we returned to serve again for Stratford, Ontario. And then in 1997, it was Bowling Green, Kentucky, John and Ruth Maestre's convention, and we had to put our own labels on the back of the shirts. They stuck really well, didn't they? And then in 1998, I was my first convention chair in Cody, Wyoming. Really nice convention we had that year. If you missed it, no way to go back. And then as my second time being convention chair, we had it at Blue Ash, Ohio. And again, last year I served on the Air Boss team. And then to finally complete it out, a Yankee Aviation Grumman Specialist Shop Monkey shirt. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's what a quilt looks like when it's made of Air Boss shirts. Hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have fun with your Grumman today.
Where are the dots?